Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to integrate Shopify with Notion. So you can use third-party services and tools to connect the two platforms. So here's the general approach to integrate Shopify with Notion. So choose a data integration tool. So look for a data integration tool or service that supports both Shopify and Notion. Some popular options include Zapier, In- Integromat, and Automate.io. So these platforms allow you to create automated workflows and connect various apps and services. Now, sign up and connect your accounts. So, sign up for the chosen data integration tool and connect your Shopify and Notion accounts within the platform. Follow the provided instructions to authorize access to your Shopify store and Notion workspace. Now, set up the integration workflow. So, once your accounts are connected, you can start creating the integration workflow. Depending on your specific requirements, you can choose from a range of actions and triggers available in the data integration tool. For example, you can trigger an action in Notion whenever a new order is placed in Shopify, or update inventory information in Shopify based on changes made in Notion. Configure the data mapping. So define how data should flow between Shopify and Notion. So map the fields and attributes from each platforms that you want to sync or transfer. So this may include in order information, customer details, product data, or other relevant data points. Test and validate the integration. So after setting the integration workflow and data mapping, perform thorough testing to ensure that the data is being transferred accurately between Shopify and Notion. This test different scenarios and verify that the information is synchronized correctly. Monitor and maintain the integration. So once the integration is live, monitor its performance and ensure that it continues to function as expected. Periodically, review and update the integration settings as your business needs evolve. So it is important to note that the specific steps and available options may vary depending on the data integration tool you choose. These tools often provide detailed documentation and support to help you to set up the integration. Additionally, it is recommended to regularly check for updates and new features offered by the data integration tool you are using, as it may introduce enhancements or additional capabilities. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.